Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Leeway, Learn Easy Way. I am Arvind. I'm here to help you in understanding the different types of persons in English grammar. This is the foundation course in order to explain different types of tenses that are there in English grammar, and I'll be going to cover them in the future videos. So now let's understand the persons for now. So let me start by presenting these persons for you. So since we use pronouns to represent the different types of persons, so we call them personal pronouns. And what are those persons? And there are three types of persons: first person, second person, and third persons. Why they called so? Let's understand that. First person. So usually the first person means when I speak for myself. When I speak, I represent people. So before we actually go into the next example, we we first will know what are the pronouns that comes under the first person. I for singular, we for plural. These two pronouns will be part of first person. Let's take an example. The example here is I think I am going to watch a movie. So if you just understand the example here, I'm speaking for myself. I'm going to watch a movie. And if you take the second example here, we are going to celebrate. That means I am speaking and I'm representing we. So that's why I and we comes for the first person. So second person, referring to the person with whom you are actually speaking, which means that the person in front of you and yourself are having some kind of conversation. Usually when I speak to you or group of people. So let's understand which pronoun comes for the second person. So that is you. It could be singular or it could be a plural. It depends to whom we are addressing or to whom the person is addressing. If the person or if the speaker addresses to one person, it becomes singular. If the speaker addresses to the group of people, it becomes plural. So let's take an example here. I'm going to watch a movie. Would you like to join? So the speaker here is I, means the first person, and he is addressing to another person. So that person is the second person. So that person we represent using a pronoun you. I am going to watch a movie. Would you like to join? So if you see the images below, here it could be one person is talking to, or it could be a group of persons he's talking to. But to whomsoever he addresses, they become the second person. Now let's understand the third person. Referring to the one whom you are not directly pointing or not directly talking to. Usually when I speak about something or someone, let's take a look of pronouns that comes under third person. He, she, it for singular, they for plural. Let's take an example. I am going to watch a movie. Would you like to join? Would he or she be interested? So if we understand this example, the speaker is the first person, is asking a question to the second person and also getting some information for the third person. So how do you address the third person here is he or she. So the first person says, I'm going to watch a movie. Ask the second person that would you like to join, and also ask that the third person is interested or not, that would he or she be interested. So if you see the image, the first person is addressing directly to the second person, but the third person is not in the picture or picture of picture, that means in the conversation between these two, but is indirectly being referred by the first person. So we can also take some example for it, like it's a very nice color, something like that. I think I made my points clear here. I hope you like the video, and please watch my future videos, which I'm going to explain the present tense, past tense, and the future tense. And these persons are very much helpful for those videos. And once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you again.